So for this question, it says that if the government purchase increase by between 150 to 180 billion per year, and the estimates say that the result will be an increase in GDP between 270 and 320 billion per year. So it asks us to calculate the multiplier in this case. So we know that in general, we say that change of real GDP equals a multiplier times the change in aggregate expenditure. So government purchase is kind of like government purchase is a part of aggregate expenditure. So if we want to calculate the multiplier, we know that the multiplier basically equals the change of real GDP over the change of aggregate expenditure. So we can use these two ways to calculate it. So the first thing is, if the change in real GDP is, okay, there are two ways to do it because we have two groups of numbers here. So if the change in real GDP is 270, it say the change, actually it is, if the change in aggregate expenditure is 150, the change in real GDP is 270. So we use 270 divided by 150. If you calculate, equals 1.8. And the same thing, if the change in aggregate expenditure is 180, the change in real GDP is 320. And if you calculate also, it equals 1.8. So basically, based on the information we get from analysis, we know that in this case, the economics believe this multiplier in the economy is 1.8.